Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video I will teach you how to rank sales data using the rank function in SQL. So here we will write us some basic query like select customer name sum of total amount from customer SQL training, and we will join this to order SQL training. So we have added a rank here over order by sum of total amount the reason behind the descending because we want highest total amount to lowest amount rank. Okay, so give us some alias rank, and now we execute this query. So here you can see 1 to 5 at 6 at the highest amount of this query, and the rank for that is 1. So I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to use rank function in SQL. Thank you for watching.